What's up, everybody? Hey, it's Flip Masters, and I'm coming back to you with another F&DTX Productions cool Patreon video that only the Patreon members get to see. So I'm going to actually show you how to do a really cool effect, and it's going to be really neat, and I hope everybody really enjoys it. But I'd like to introduce you now to a super special character, Lil Flip.
What's up?
Lil Flip is in the house, is what I'm talking about, guys. So this is Lil Flip. He's so cute. I love
Thank
Lil
you.
Flip.
I'm so happy to be here, Big Flip. This is so cool. Like hanging out with you guys. With all the Flip.
We know you're super happy to be here, Little Flip.
Yeah.
That's what makes it so cool, right? Now you're acting silly.
You know,
You
you're
don't have to
so
act silly, but
awesome.
it's okay.
I hope you know you're awesome.
Aw. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it.
Thank
You're so awesome, too.
You said I'm
Look
awesome.
at he's so
too.
cute.
That's so cool. I'm so happy.
Now you're acting like a dork.
Okay.
All right. So this
That's
is Lil Flip.
We're
This is
doing
what we
this
do.
for the Patreon members. It's so super
Mm-hmm.
amazing. We love y'all Patreon members.
That's right. We do love y'all Patreon members, but this is for y'all, so y'all can see how to do this. This effect will be available for y'all.
Yeah, I live
For
Flip.
sure.
Guys, I'm gonna get out of here. It was super
is-
fun.
Okay, we're gonna leave. It was fun. Yeah, it was Lil Flip.
Lil Flip! Look, by the way.
Lil Flip. Big
Here.
Flip. Oh my god. We load your shirt. Your shirt's actually really cute, but no one really cares. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, your shirt's really cute. You're cute.
I love Big Flip. He's so cool.
And I love Lil Flip. He's super.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna leave. We'll see y'all later.
We'll see you on the show.
Bye, guys.
Flip out.
Big Flip out. Okay, guys, so that was Lil Flip. I'm going to show you how to do a Lil Flip or another character on your show using a budget setup, literally with a webcam. So make sure y'all hanging out with me and over on my Patreon so you can see how that effect is done. We'll go through all the steps that I took to get Lil Flip.
What's up?
That way you can actually do your own little flip or own little character for your type of content that you're creating. So don't forget to check it out. Make sure to be a Patreon member. Follow the link in the description. And we'll see y'all later, guys. This is Flip Masters. We'll see you.